So this is the flower bed that I finished about a year ago. So as you can see, not as you can see, but if you guys did see my previous video, you probably noticed that I did change some of the plants. So I put the bromeliads in here. I think I had the hostas in the same place, and I also had one hosta in here, and I thought it died, so I put the bulbs in pot, and surprisingly it came back. And right now I'm thinking where I'm gonna be planting it. So here's what's happening with the philodendron. It was kind of struggling, and after winter, most of the leaves started kind of changing the color from green to yellow, and I decided to cut all of them. So right now I think this plant is doing great. Here are banana plants, and this is the bird of paradise that also got hit by frost. We had really cold winter. I mean, not really cold, it's Florida, but it was cold for the plants. But they're still coming back, which is good. And I had here a snake plant. Right now I put this, I think it's Agave Americana or something like that. So really nice plant. And as you can see, I trimmed some of its leaves, and not a lot. Like I should trim this one probably, because it start kind of dying from the tip. So but I decided to keep it as is for right now, because again I want to kind of this flower bed to have a finished look. Also trimmed this elephant ear plants, have two of them. And when I was digging out the snake plant, I noticed they're really weird stuff. If you ever planted this plant before, I don't know if you know about it, but I thought I kind of destroyed an lizard egg, or like a turtle egg, I don't know, but it looks really weird, as you can see. And so there was a liquid inside, and looked like I broke the egg. Also has really weird smell. I mean, it's not like I don't even know how to describe it. This one looks like a sponge, and at the same time a cover. So then I started digging more, and I noticed this ball, and I thought it's like a mushroom. So I threw it away. I never saw it before, and it has some offsprings in here, like a lot. And also it has this weird, as I was showing you before, X, or I don't know if I have something in here. Yes, I do have, and as you can see, just hanging from the root. So again, it's something new to me, interesting, really interesting, new stuff that I'm discovering day by day after planting and learning more about these plants. So here I have some what is it, peace lily, I think, but it's a giant one. I also have some plant, and I don't even know what the name of this plant is. So we brought them yesterday. This is really nice, beautiful plant. So we brought them yesterday, and when I was driving, it was really hot in the truck, and I thought they will not survive. But as you can see, They're coming back after we drop them into the water. We also brought this plant. Again, I don't know the name of it, I just dig this out. If you guys know the name of all of these plants, please let me know in the comment section below. This is the bamboo, really big one. And we will plant it in our backyard to make kind of a fence wall. Here I have a lot of pops from agave plant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them, and I have 2 more really tiny one in here. Don't know what I'm gonna be doing with them, but probably will plant somewhere. So also planted yesterday some of aloe plant. This is the pineapple with tiny pineapple growing. It has yellowish leaves and I don't know if it's good or not. Let me know if I can do something for this plant, maybe to help it. I don't know, maybe it's supposed to be dark green. So this is my first time of having pineapple plant, so I know nothing about it. I also planted this bird of paradise, and when I planted it, it was in such condition. Someone didn't take care of it and probably didn't even water this plant. That's why it in this condition. Oh, and I also have one more agave plant in here, so I didn't plant it yet, so I just put it in the flower bed to see if I like it in here. So it's actually looks good, and I think it's gonna be its place near all of the bromeliads I have in here. And I'll also, as you can see, planted some of the purple hearts plant, and I think they will look really good here as well when they start kind of growing as they supposed to. So this is flower bed that we have in here. I also want to show you, oh, there's a cat. Also want to show you that I did plant some of the ferns on the side of the house. I think they'll look amazing. I planted, I think that's also lilies, but I'm not sure, around these bushes that became kind of a tree already. And I planted around the tricolor ginger. Looks nice. Here is what I'm hoping for, to get this Sega palm back to life. I think this one is good, but I just cut all of the leaves to see, because all of the leaves on this Sega plant started dying, going from green to yellow, and I didn't like it, so I cut all of them. This one was dying, and I'm not sure if it is still alive, but we'll see. Maybe I'm gonna be able to save it. So it's pretty good big plant, about 1 foot in height. And I also attached to this bush this air plant. So it was blooming before, now it's not. And I also noticed in here, as you can see, I have some hole that I dug out few plants, and I put them around the ferns. I think it's a perfect place for them, and the colors are really beautiful. And here I have only green, now it's gonna be green and red. This is the bigger plant, really beautiful one. So, and that's it. We also bought yesterday 2 big trees. This is loquat. I think It's a right name for it. And this is Barbados cherry. It's blooming. It's blooming already with pink flowers everywhere, and I think it also have some cherries already. So I'm gonna try to find some of them. So here's the huge one. It's pretty big. Here's my finger. So it's already big cherry. Here more. So it's bigger than me. Really nice plant. This is the loquat. Also pretty big plant.